Hi boys and girls, welcome to Mrs. Dulzig's classroom workshop. We are back outside, standing in front of the Columbia River, and we wanted to come out here and hopefully gather a little bit of inspiration because we're going to go down to the workshop in a minute and teach you step by step how to draw a river. But we thought we would come out here and gather some inspiration. And in case you don't have a river that you can look out and see, we were hoping to scan the river a little bit here and show you what it looks like. So Chloe, can you go ahead and scan it?
Sure.
Can you see some trees? You see some mountains in the distance. You can see some clouds. I don't know if you can see all the way over there, but you can see some ships coming through. You can hear the sounds. All right. So we are going to head back down to the workshop where we're going to teach you step by step how to draw a river. So you're going to need to get a piece of paper and a pencil, and we hope that you've gathered a little bit of inspiration, and we'll meet you down there. Bye. Hi, welcome back to the workshop. So we hope you got some inspiration out there by the river. We hope you had a chance to check your own view of the river. So I'm going to step by step show you how to draw a river. I chose to put my piece of paper this way rather than this way. Whatever way works for you, okay? So I'm going to try to go slow and show you. So you're going to want to go about the middle of your paper, and you're going to draw a straight, little bit of a wavy line all the way across from one side to the other. Now feel free if I go too fast to pause it at any moment, okay? Now you're going to come over here, and you are going to go not quite to the edge, a little bit off, about 2 inches. And you're going to kind of make this wavy all the way to the other end. Then you're going to come back a little bit lower and follow that line. Good. All right, now we're going to come up here and we are going to make kind of a jagged tree shape. Doesn't have to be perfect as we saw. We just see the outlines when we're scanning the river. Then we're going to come over here, giving a little bit of space and make a little bit smaller one. Right here, we're going to make a little bit of jagged to the edge of the paper. Right over here, a little bit of an edge. Okay, perfect. And then not all of our trees when we looked out are the same shape, so we're going to kind of do a more rounded one. And then we're going to just go ahead and draw our trunk down into there. And then we're going to come over here, we're going to draw a line kind of like this. And then we're going to come over here and draw a line like this. Those are kind of some of those mountains that we can see off into the distance. Now, this is the part where you get to now change and add your own details into here. I gave you the basic shape. Now you get to add some fun details into it. I'm going to show you a couple different things that might give you some ideas, but this is where you get to make it yours. Maybe you want to, Chloe, would you mind moving over just a little bit that way?
Sorry.
Maybe you want to draw a tent. So you're going to take your rectangle shape and draw it on an angle, that rectangle. And then you're going to draw your triangle shape. And then you're going to draw a line down the middle for the flap in the tent. Make your little poles. There's your tent. Maybe you want to put a little campfire pit out there. Maybe you're gonna roast some s'mores. You want a little bit of your smoke. So this is something that is totally up to you now, what you add into there. Maybe you want to put another bush over here. Maybe you want another kind of bush over here. Maybe you'd like a cloud in the sky. You want to add a cloud. Maybe you want to add a rainbow going across those mountains. Maybe you want to draw a bird, a bald eagle. Maybe you want to put some blossoms in the tree. Can you girls think of anything else you might want to add that we saw out there?
You can add some. Like plants.
Flowers, plants. Yeah, we saw some of those kind of tall grasses growing up around. Maybe you want to add some of those tall grasses that we saw. Maybe you want to put some ripples into your water. So this is where you get to be creative and do your bit to add on. Don't forget to sign your art. If you picked up your supplies from school, you'll see that I included watercolors in there. This would be a good time to watercolor this picture. If you didn't get your watercolors, you could use crayons or markers, or you could leave it how it is in a nice shade, okay? So, Chloe, would you mind holding yours up so they can get an idea of the way they look different? So here's Chloe's. She's adding her own details to it. I like the heart she has going on here on her tent. I love all over clouds. Oops, sorry. Anna, can we show yours? And here is Anna's. Anna's got a sun coming over here in the corner, her little rainbow. She's got some flowers in the tree. She's drawing some flowers there. So as you can see, let your imagination run wild. Imagine that river and enjoy. Thanks for drawing with us. Take care, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.